Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine front loader and you're getting an E66 error on the display and you're wondering what this is and what can be done in order to fix it. So first of all, what it is that this is the water temperature sensor is defective. So how do you fix a defective water temperature sensor? First of all, I wouldn't do anything without having done a hard reset, because these electronic sensor errors can sometimes be cleared out just with a hard reset on the washing machine. But if that hasn't worked, then really it's one of three things. It's going to either be the water temperature sensor itself, which needs to be replaced, the wiring between that sensor and the control board, or something geeky with the control board where the control board needs to be replaced. So the order that you should go through in doing this is, one, check the wiring, make sure the wiring looks good, there's nothing frayed, there's nothing damaged, there's nothing loose or disconnected. And if there's nothing there, then you just need to replace the water temperature sensor. If that doesn't fix it, then it's going to be the control board.